Let me show you how I created this glitch effect. First, insert a text box. Type any word you want. And then adjust it to the screen. Double-click on the text layer. Uncheck the green and blue color column. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. And now check the both columns and uncheck the red color. Then with the help of side arrow key, shift the text to right side little bit. Then select both layers and right-click, and then convert it to Smart Object. Then click the rectangular tool and select the text. Press Shift key and select the further portion of the text. Then click on this to create a layer mask. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. And make sure you click on this selection and press Shift and left arrow. Then select both layers and convert it to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, then Distort, and then Wave. And do the following settings. Once you are done, click OK. Then again press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. And go to Filter, Pixelate and then Mezzotint. Take short lines from here, and hit OK. Then select second layer, and go to Filter then Blur. Then Motion Blur, and do the following settings. And hit OK. Now select both layers, and convert it to Smart Object. Then duplicate the layer. Then again go to Filter, then Blur and then Motion Blur. Keep all the settings same. And change the blending mode to multiply. And also reduce the opacity. Thank you everyone for watching it till the end.